Hey guys, it's Neko Ken, and now we're going on to multiplication. So as my slide said, you just multiply it as if it's a regular, pair of binomials. And you could either use the distributive or FOIL method. So for the first one, 3 minus 2i times 5 plus i. So you multiply 3 by 5 to get 15, 3 by I to get 3i, negative 2i by 5 to get negative 10i, and negative 2i times I to get negative 2i squared. You might be confused on what to do with this I squared. Never leave your answer in I squared when it comes to these problems. So in my first slide, that was the introduction, I gave you a list of I to the 1 power, or to the 2 power, or to the 3rd power. So I to the 2nd power is negative 1. So all you would do is substitute the negative 1 and multiply that by negative 2. So you get 15 minus 7i, because you added the like terms, but negative 1 times negative 2. A negative times a negative is a positive, hence giving you positive 2. Then you add like terms to get 17, and then the minus 7i is by itself, so it stays here, and that's your final answer. For this, you do the same, and pretty much for the rest of these. So you multiply 2 by 2 to get 4, 2 by 3i to get 6i, 3i by 2 to get 6i, and 3i squared to get 9i squared. So you do the same thing with the I squared, you substitute it for a negative 1, and you get negative I plus 4 plus 12i. You add like terms and get negative 5, then you add that to the 12i to get a plus bi form. Here, you you distribute the 5i, so 5i times negative 2 to get negative 10i, 5i by I to get 5i squared, substitute the negative 1, and you get negative 5 minus 10i. And lastly, for this, you multiply 5 plus 5 to get 25, 5 times negative 6i to get negative 30i, 5 by 5i to get 25i, and 5i minus 6i times negative 6i to get negative 30i squared. And then you substitute the negative 1 to get positive 30, add like terms to get 55 minus I.